Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you another way of making Semovita. So guys can see this is Dangote Semovita. So if you want to teach your children how to make Semovita, you first of all put the semo on the bowl. Put semo in the bowl, little. And when you put the semo in the bowl, then you add water. You mix it with water. You mix it with water. Make sure you mix it very well. Don't allow the thing to get long. You see, after you mix it like this, so guys can see the water on the fire boiling. You put your water in the pot, allow it to boil well. Then when the water boil, you fetch some water comot. So you fetch some water comot. After you fetch comot, the semo, the one you mix with cold water, you reduce the light. Don't allow the light to be high. You reduce the light so that the water, after you mix it, then you turn it inside. After turning, then you mix them like this. Turn it, you allow it to boil. You allow the semo to boil and done well. So guys can see, you allow it to boil well. Can see. So after you allow it to boil, you now started adding the semo. You add small and started turning it. This is an easy way for children that is learning how to turn semo. But if you are expert, no need of you to mix it with water. Just make it direct. So guys can see, it's very easy. See how turning. After you do it like this, you add little hot water and cover it. After you add little hot water, just cover it like 5 minutes to allow the semo to done very well. Then after that, that's all. So let me leave it for 5 minutes to done. So let's turn to very simple. So this is another way of making Semovita. Another way. Your children want to learn how to turn semo, because semo is hard. If you don't know how to do it well, after you do it, to get lumps. So if your children want to learn how to do it, let them mix it with water first. So now off the light. So it's time for you now to make your soup. No, I love semo with draw soup. So that is all for Semovita. It's not hard at all. Just show it to your children to do it. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved one. I see you in my next video. Bye.